Hi. Well, I see that there are already two people in the room, so that's good. Let's start. How are you guys? Okay, we're up to three. Hello, Carly. Serena, hi, and Rafa. All right, we're up to seven. Nick, Evelyn, hello. Oh, up to 12. The crowd is really building. Jayun and Angel, Marina, hi. Hi. And Melvin, Ashley, Angel, Jayun. All right, I got it at 10:45. Leaf blowers seem to be blowing outside my window, but I think you can still hear me. Um, First thing, Glendale College is sending out every week the "We Are in This Together" bulletin. Now, I have put the most recent one under announcements this morning, and this bulletin has some things that may be of help to you. So let me just go through them, quickly. For example, if somebody you know needs mental health counseling, um, the Glendale College Health Center is offering over the phone mental health counseling. For example, if you have someone in your life who has problems with depression, you know that they can't just snap out of it. It's more serious than that. And of course, there are other things that folks are dealing with. There's certainly a lot of disruption and stress and hardship that folks are going through. And so, on this We Are in This Together bulletin, you have the contact information for the Glendale College Health Center, the County of Los Angeles helpline, and a couple of other organizations out there in the community. So, that would be one reason to look at this bulletin in the announcements. The second thing is that there are several food pantries in our area. Glendale College Food Pantry apparently had a successful event yesterday. Now, if you happen to live in Altadena, the Sacred Heart Catholic Church has a food pantry that is open the first and third Wednesdays of the month. That's mentioned on here. If you are in North Hollywood, St. Charles, big, beautiful church at Moore Park in Lancashire in North Hollywood. They have a food bank Tuesday through Thursday and Saturday and Sunday in the mornings. By the way, you should call ahead. The Glendale YWCA, no, YWCA, not YMCA. They have quite a few services, including shelters, food, and helping victims of domestic violence, help for immigrants, help if you receive an eviction notice. Although I thought renters were not supposed to be evicted during this emergency. Um, all right, let's see what else is on here. There's a thing called Computers at Low Cost, the Discount Computer Depot, where you can get all sorts of computer equipment apparently unusually cheap. And there is an update on this bulletin regarding student loans, which may affect a few of you. Oh, yeah, and one more thing. Um, the LA County Fire Department has a telemedicine program. And so this is for people who are mildly ill, whether it be coronavirus or, something else. I mean, people do get other things besides coronavirus. Um, so if you are only a little bit ill, the LA County Fire Department has a way that you can get um, medical consultations uh, over the phone, or no, video conference. Okay. So, yeah. All right. So it's in your announcements. We had our first supplemental instruction of the semester on the Discord platform yesterday, and Stephanie said that from her angle, it looked like things went pretty well. Is there anyone here who was at that SI yesterday? Do you have a report? Well, let me just say that about SI, we will not have one next week because it'll be spring break. But 2 Tuesdays from now, we will have another SI, and it'll be on Discord. Okay, Marina and Ashley, you were both there. All right. Well, what'd you think? Did it go reasonably well? It was pretty good, but you preferred on Zoom? Okay. Although I gotta say, as you will see in your media note today, Zoom is having its problems. Ashley, do you have any thoughts about it? It went smoothly. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I think another reason why we did it on Discord is that Stephanie's a gamer, and she's comfortable with Discord. All right, let's move along to the question of the day. The question of the day. Let me set it up this way. I don't think of myself as a particularly macho fellow, but during this emergency where it is so important to really, really do a heavy duty washing of your hands, I thought, well, at least I can get macho soap, right? So I invested in Lava soap. This is the stuff that you buy if you do oil changes all day at Jiffy Lube or something like that. And I don't know if it's making my hands any cleaner than they normally would have been, but yeah, that's how I have changed my hand washing ritual. So the question of the day: how many times did you wash your hands yesterday? And how has your hand washing changed? Do you sing a song when you wash your hands? So let's light up the chat box. Let's like to know, how has your hand washing changed? Do you sing a song when you wash your hands? How many times do you wash your hands? Joel, you're doing a lot longer and a lot more carefully. Yeah, yeah. Uh, I find the backs of my hands are getting a little chafed from all this hand washing. 4 times, 5 times, okay. I probably am about in that category. I think yesterday I washed probably about 5 times. Boy, I had people in the last class who were saying 10 times, 15 times. I mean, we got some serious hand washers in the other class, let me tell you. Are you doing anything different? And are you singing a song when you wash your hands? Oh, Carly, because of work, about 20 times a day. Yeah. Carly, what do you do that you need to wash your hands 20 times a day? Well, oh, cleaning more under your oh, work at Coffee Bean. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. I know one thing that's gotten to be a little ritual with me is that when one of my friends on Facebook, I get the little notification that says it is Fred's birthday today. Wish him a happy birthday. I do that, but then where they say you're supposed to sing happy birthday twice while you're washing your hands on that day. If I have a Facebook friend who it's his birthday, I will sing it to old Fred. Happy birthday, dear Fred. Serena, 7 to 8 times a day. Haley, 2 to 3, maybe 5 at the most. Oh, Serena is singing the ABCs. Uh, uh, Evelyn, you and Cameron didn't go out, but you still washed your hands about 5 to 7 times. Oh, yeah, walking the dog. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Bobo, you're one of those who got laid off. Eesh. No, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of unemployment going around. Yeah. All right. Let's let's get into what we're doing today. Uh, the media note is about Zoom, and all is not beer and Skittles in Zoom land. And then after you hear that media note, um, you'll be taking the little quiz, and then you will be finishing up chapter 8. If you remember, I divided that into 2 parts. So today, you are looking at chapter 8, listening to part 2, which is 34 minutes. All right. Does anyone have any last questions before you go off to your media note and I go off to Canvas chat? Any last questions here? Okay, guys, I'm heading off to the other side. I'm ending the stream, and I'll see you over on Canvas. Oh, Carly just got one in, a real buzzer beater. All right. When is the next quiz? Actually, the next thing is not going to be a quiz. The next thing is going to be the midterm. So I suppose you would like to know when your midterm is. Where's my syllabus? I've got it here, honest. Okay. Let's see. Got a whole bunch of stuff here. All right. Got the student letter. All right. Your midterm is going to be the week when you come back. All right. But you're going to have all week to take it. So, it's not like one of those things where you come to class, you're supposed to bring a blue book, and you're going to have a whole, you're going to have a whole week to do it. So, okay. All right. So I'm going to end it here. All right. See you in Canvas chat.